diving deep into my second decade of emceeing, there are still many firsts that I'm performing for. आज ऐसा ही एक दिन है. It is a huge pride for our Gujarati community because Jigardhan Gadvi live in concert happening today for the very first time on the Kora Kendra grounds. The backstage, the stage is getting ready and we have a lot many preparations going backstage as well. I am going to rush backstage and I'll see you in a bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, તમે બધા તૈયાર છો? Everybody joining together as I say, ગણપતિ બાપ્પા મૂર્તિ.